Hello, my name is Grant Fritchey. I'm the past president. I want to welcome you to the September edition of the Past Connector. Now, just a little reminder, you can subscribe to the new DBA, Developer, and BI Insight newsletters at past.org. As you may already know, Past Summit 2018 will be the 20th Summit Conference, and I'm very excited to announce the theme, Summit V20. Now, this is almost 2 decades of the event. We're not at 20 years, we're almost there, but it's 20 events, and we're going to celebrate this inspirational go through our community through 20 summits, 20 stories. Now, these stories reflect the past, the present, and the future of the past organization, both at the conference and at the community-driven level that makes all of this possible. Now, you can check out the first 3 of the V20 stories in the Past Community Spotlight. They talk about the Women in Technologies Luncheon, past summit traditions like SQL Karaoke and SQL Kilt Day, and the amazing Passion Award winners. So please check out those stories. Now, we're also excited to announce that Past Summit 2018 schedule has been fully released, and we've got a great lineup of speakers this year, and I really hope we see you there. And our next Facebook Live event is taking place on September 27th, and man, I'm excited. This one is Kaylin Delaney, and she'll be answering all your questions live. Registration for the Past Marathon Summit, the Summit Solution Preview, is now open. And this is a free, fully virtual event taking place on September 20th, and it will include 9 different back-to-back webinars. And finally, there's still time to nominate somebody for the Passion Award. If you know somebody who's doing great things, please, please, please help them get nominated for this award. It's really important to us and to the community to show that we love the people who love us. And this is just the one way we can do it. So please get those nominations in.